Hey, so if I asked you to get a square from my toolbox, what would you look for?
If you asked me to get a square for your toolbox,
From my toolbox.
from your toolbox,
Yeah. Hey Google, stop. You want to see what a square looks like?
no, I know what a square looks like. It's like a little box.
Do you know why they call it a square?
This is a square?
It's a square.
This is a square.
That's a square. They call it that because it's a tool used for making things square.
Oh, well, that makes sense.
Yeah.
He missed the best part as soon as he stopped recording. I, thinking I was so smart, I was like, isn't that an isosceles triangle? No, it's a right angled triangle. Nice try though. I had to look it up.